Hello, my name is Hugh Beachum, and this is an analysis of one Windows 8 feature and two apps, the Task Manager, Skype, and Notepad++. Today I will be talking about the Windows 8 Task Manager, the Skype app, and the Notepad++ app. Of the new features updated for Windows 8, the Task Manager is one that has been greatly simplified and enhanced. The Task Manager has been updated for Windows 8 with three goals in mind, as Stephen Sinofsky of the Building Windows 8 An Inside Look from the Windows Engineering Team blog writes: to optimize the Task Manager for the most common scenarios, use modern information design to achieve functional goals, and don't remove functionality. There are many ways this feature, present since Windows 3.0 and iteratively updated with new OS releases, has been upgraded to accomplish this task. The first and most striking way in which this has been accomplished is with the new initial screen. The Task Manager now opens with a simple list of running application software. The user is capable of double-clicking on the name to bring that software into focus, or right-clicking and choosing options, including ending the task, finding the task in your File Explorer, searching for the task by name in a search engine, or looking at the properties of the task. Given that, according to Sinofsky, the most common function the Windows engineering team found people were using the Task Manager for was to kill currently running applications and processes, this simple, functionality-focused initial screen provided users with easy access to the most common use of the Task Manager. After pressing the More Details button, an updated version of the Task Manager appears, starting on the Processes tab, which is the old Applications and Processes tabs combined in one. This has also been greatly changed from the previous versions of the Task Manager. To start, the new Task Manager separates the various applications and processes up by type, such as apps, background processes, and Windows processes. As well, the new Processes tab shows not only the CPU usage and memory usage, but also disk and network usage. Moreover, there is now a heat map, with higher usage numbers tinted a darker shade of yellow, to give a visual sense of usage for each of these tracked values per process. As Sinofsky writes, this lets the user find the hotspot instantly without needing to read numbers or understand concepts or specific units. Another updated feature is the upgraded Performance tab, wherein the user can look at performance graphs and information updating in real time, not only for CPU and memory usage, like in old task managers, but also disk and network usage. There is also the inclusion and updating of the Startup tab, a feature from Windows Vista that was missing in Windows 7 Task Manager. In this tab, the user can see what processes begin on startup and how much they impact startup time. Altogether, these features facilitate and enhance the Task Manager experience. The Skype app is a VoIP or Voice over IP application that allows users to connect to other users of the Skype application to talk, send text messages, or files. This application emulates a telephone network, allowing people to call one another over the program, and for a fee, to call actual telephone numbers outside of the Skype network. Skype also allows users to utilize their webcams or to screen share, showing the content of their monitors in a video call. Skype also has an instant messaging service, allowing users to send messages to friends or colleagues over the Skype network or through SMS, or to create persistent chat rooms that also can connect to a regular or video call at will. One feature that is currently in pre-release is Skype Translate, which Paul writes allows the Windows 8.1 Skype to translate in real time two spoken languages, Spanish and English, and 40 plus instant messaging languages. These features allow Skype to be both a productivity and personal use application, facilitating business and personal communication for any and all users. Notepad++ is a robust text editing app that, as Ma writes, is a versatile and powerful source code editor that also serves as an excellent replacement for the default Notepad text editor in Windows. One of the features that this app adds that really enhances it as a source code editor is line numbers. To the left of the user's text, one will find numbers. These numbers are useful for rooting out errors in one's code, as well as just identifying where in the text one is. Another feature is zoom. Notepad++ allows the user to zoom in and out on the text, making it easier to read than regular Notepad. Notepad++ also detects when a file has been modified by another piece of software, such as an XML being modified by the software interpreting it, informing the user that the modification has happened, and giving the user the option to save it in its new configuration or discard the changes. There is also a search feature as well as a replace feature. This is useful when you have a large text file and you need to change something that occurs over and over again, like changing the name of a variable. Finally, one of Notepad++'s most useful features is the syntax highlighting. Notepad++ will change the color of the text according to the syntax of the programming language you set the text file to. This helps in editing source code quickly and without error. Notepad++'s features add up to being premier text editing software for use across all the subfields of the broader IT discipline.